How to create emojis in Slack. Want to make your Slack chats more fun and personalized? Let's create custom emojis step by step. So, first open up Slack. If you want to add or create a new emoji on Slack, what you can do is to click on this emoji button on the conversation section, and this would pop on your screen. So at the bottom left, you'll find this add emoji button. So click on this. So to create your custom emojis, you will need to upload an image. Make sure the image is under 128 KB and is square with transparent backgrounds work best. If your image is too large, Slack will try to resize it for you. And after that, give it a name. This is also what you'll type to add this emoji to your message. And then after that, click on save. And once you save it, this custom emoji will then be added into the available emojis you can use on Slack. And that is how to create emojis on Slack.